Hello everybody. Today we're making my mom's 3-layered Jello. Boil water and pour a cup of boiling water into a heat-resistant container. Open a packet of jelly powder and pour it into the container with the water. Mix the powder into the water and scrape off the powder stuck to the bottom. Add a cup of ice cream into the Jello mixture and mix until melted. Put the cover on the container and put it into the refrigerator until the Jello is set. Use an ice cream scooper to scoop out the Jello for a nice presentation and add your choice of toppings. I hope you enjoy now.